The world out there is unique, beautiful, and sometimes immortal. Meet Jello. He is a hydrozoan from the phylum of Cnidaria, and his genus is Turritopsis. Okay, enough geeky info. Wanna know why Jello is so special? Well, not a big deal. He is just immortal. Let's meet the nature's extraordinary. This particular species of hydrozoa was first discovered in 1883 and then reclassified in 1980s. Two students studying the specimen in 1980 discovered its immortality by mistake. At first, they thought they were actually dealing with another species of Turritopsis, the Turritopsis nutricula. This small predatory marine invertebrate has two stages in its life cycle: a polyp-forming colony called a hydroid, and the more mobile, recognizably jellyfish-like form called medusae. Medusae mature and then spawn sperm and eggs. Any fertilized eggs become small larvae called planula. When these planula settle somewhere, a new hydroid colony grows once again, and eventually polyps in the colony release more medusae. This is how it should have gone. But instead, there were lots of newly settled polyps on the bottom of the jar when they checked the next day. After more observations, they found that the new medusae, if stressed, fell on the bottom of the jar and transformed straight into polyps, skipping the fertilization and larval stages. This was even stranger, like a butterfly transforming back into a caterpillar. This was such a groundbreaking discovery that a scientist called this report untrue and something that was not possible. This scientist was Volker Smith, and he had his reasons too. Smith had worked extensively on cell biology related to the life cycle of Podococcorina, another hydrozoan, and said that the cells of the medusa buds, while still forming from the polyp, could occasionally revert back into polyp cells. However, he thought once the medusa differentiation was complete, the reversal was impossible. Soon enough, the researchers dove back into the water to fetch some more Turritopsis. They brought it to Smith and in front of his eyes showed how they transformed under just even a little bit of stress. This defense mechanism amazed Volker. This type of cell differentiation was termed transdifferentiation. This little bundle of wonder grows up to a maximum of 4.5 millimeters tall and wide. Young ones have 8 1 millimeter long tentacles, while adults can have up to 90 tentacles. They are found abundantly throughout the Mediterranean Sea. They mostly feed on plankton, fish eggs, and small mollusks. As it turns out, our friend Jello is pretty special. This insane biology of Turritopsis has made it one of the nature's fittest survival. And because of its immortal defense mechanism, the species might be dating back to anywhere from 300 to 500 million years ago. This extraordinary feature of our friend Jello helps scientists to find new ways to repair or regenerate damaged tissues in case of humans.